Today, let's tackle the most important question in investing. How much should you invest? The internet tells you what to buy, but rarely how much to put in. That's the part that actually compounds in wealth. Building wealth is like getting abs. Everyone wants the six-pack, but fewer want the salad every day. At Alpha Atlas, we see this pattern across thousands of portfolios. Great stock ideas, weak funding plans. In the early days, it's tempting to chase every 10-bagger, but gains can vanish just as quickly. The missing step isn't stock picking, it's knowing how much to invest. How much must come first. Once you know your funding number, you're 90% of the way to your goal. Today, we'll help you calculate that number, even if you're starting with just $50 a month. You're not just asking, how much should I invest? You're asking how much risk you're willing to carry. How much of your hard-earned income are you comfortable allocating to the market? In our community surveys, the biggest fear is losing hard-earned cash, often because key questions were skipped. There's no universal dollar figure that fits everyone. You need your number, built from your goals and timeline. Before the math, define your why. Picture the life you want, like retiring at 65 or buying a home. In drawdowns, that picture fuels discipline to keep funding your plan. If your goal is retirement, aim to replace about 80% of your income from investments. Make $60K a year, aim for $48K from your portfolio. Using the 25x rule, you'd need about $1.2 million. Some use 20x for a 5% spend, which is around $960K to $1.28 million, big number. Remember, time is your edge. Personalize it. Target $1.28 million 30 years, starting with $30K assuming 10% growth. You'd need to contribute roughly $300 a month, under $4,000 a year. Shrink to 20 years, same $30K start, and plan on about $963 a month with a growth-tilted mix. When our community runs their numbers, they realize they don't need lottery ticket stocks. At 8-10% compounded, steady contributions still hit the target. Consistency beats hero trades. Even $50 a month matters. Over 30 years, you could approach $174K, mostly from compounding. College costs headline at $92K a year, but many families pay far less after aid. Need $52.8K in 10 years with $1,000 saved? That's roughly $242.50 a month at 10%. Protect your plan, keep 2-3 months of expenses in cash for emergencies. Eliminate debt over trust on APR before adding risk. That payoff is like a risk-free high return. Your magic number isn't static. Review yearly to see if you're on track. When goals change, update your number and schedule accordingly. 2 traps to avoid. I'll start when I earn more and all in on the hot stock. Start now at any level, then raise contributions to match your number. To make it simple, use Alpha Atlas, Investor AI. Enter your goal, timeline, and monthly capacity to get a personalized path. Now that you know how much to invest, next we'll cover where it should go. A few stocks this year, more than double our money in 5 stocks. But remember, this isn't about stock picking, it is about reaching your goals with a portfolio that isn't going to crash the second the bubble pops. Join us on Alpha Atlas, our AI-powered stock prediction system, using the link below. See the stocks in my portfolio and see what more than 500,000 investors are talking about in the social feed. Don't forget to join Alpha Atlas community by tapping that subscribe button and clicking the bell notification.